नमस्कार, सलाम, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल मित्रों। जिंदगी के रंग मौसीकी के संग में आप सबका एक बार फिर तहे दिल से स्वागत है। आप हैं आज अपने दोस्त रोली के साथ। तो भाई आप सबकी बेकरारी बढ़ती जा रही है ना? बिल्कुल हम जानते हैं। तो दिल की धड़कनों को थाम के बैठिए, क्योंकि आज की शाम आपसे मिलने आ रहे हैं द न्यू हार्ट थ्रॉब ऑफ द नेशन, आसिफ शेख जी। जी हाँ, यानी हमारे प्यारे दुलारे और बेहद शैतान विभूति भैया। आप सब जानते हैं विभूति नारायण मिश्रा को, उनकी शैतानियों को। और भाभी जी घर पर हैं या नहीं, आज हम उनसे जरूर पूछेंगे।
I'm really sorry. मैं माफी चाहता हूँ।
तो भाई आई एम नॉट सॉरी टुडे। इनफैक्ट आई एम वेरी वेरी एक्सिलरेटेड, आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी। क्यों भाई क्यों? आप सब जानते हैं ना क्यों? तो भाई यदि इस जुमले से शुरुआत की थी आई एम सॉरी, तो ये आपको किसकी याद दिला रहा है? जी हाँ, आप सब इससे भली भांति परिचित होंगे। तो हम बात कर रहे हैं एन टीवी के इस साल के सबसे हिट टीवी सीरियल भाभी जी घर पर है के सबसे चहेते चरित्र विभूति नारायण मिश्रा जी की, जिसको अभिनीत किया है हमारे देश के दिग्गज अभिनेताओं में से एक श्री आसिफ शेख ने। आसिफ शेख जी का फिल्मी सफर लगभग 31 वर्ष पुराना है। हमारे देश के प्रथम टीवी सीरियल हम लोग से अपने करियर की शुरुआत करने वाले आसिफ शेख जी की कहानी बेहद दिलचस्प है। तो आइए जानते हैं आसिफ जी से ही कि सीरियल हम लोग के प्रिंस अजय सिंह से भाभी जी घर पर हैं के विभूति नारायण मिश्रा तक का कैसा रहा इनका सफर। चलिए बातचीत का सिलसिला शुरू करते हैं।
Thank you so very much for obliging us today, sir, because despite being so busy but everybody knows how generous you are. You never ever disappoint your fans and you take so much care of them. So like first thing I would like to ask you, how are you able to juggle so many things so well? You're such a, great family man, great friend, such a, genuine celebrity, so generous. How are you able to do all of that?
No, it's like I don't know. I mean, आपने कहा उतना मैं सही हूँ कि नहीं हूँ, but well, I try to be honest with my life and with myself, and I like to be myself, and I never try to pretend, never try to show off. This is the way I am.
That's right.
And I'm happy, and I don't want to change.
Please don't change ever. Don't ever change. You're so lovable. You're so adorable. People love you like anything. I mean, every age group from, to the older people, 60 plus, to little kids, they just love you like anything. My God. And
absolutely, very खुशकिस्मती है कि people are loving you so much. And that's really, it gives me a lot of encouragement, to do better and to excel or to raise the bar. So I always, बहुत मुझे इससे inspiration मिलती है, and I really get inspired. And when I read the comments on the Twitter, I really get inspired, and I said I must do my best. I must try my best because people love me so much, and I feel responsible. So that's what
You're already doing it. Each day we can see that you're doing. And the other day we were just listening to that interview where your friend Khalid Siddiqui said, और जिस तरीके से उन्होंने कहा था, आवाज जैसी थी, हर चीज दिल से होती है, बिल्कुल so right. उसने उनके जो बोला था उन्होंने, उसमें इतना वो था, like there was so much of emotion.
Khalid himself is a great guy. Khalid himself is a great guy and a great friend. So, and I have very few friends, but I have good friends, that I always believe.
I know, and they love you so much. My God. Okay. So sir, my next question is that I would like to ask you about your childhood. Like, not many people know about your family, your father, your siblings, if any. If you would like to tell us then.
Well, I belong to a very middle-class family. My father was working for railway, and I am brought up in Delhi, and I was an athlete all my life.
Yes.
And I played. I was a springboard diver, sub-juniors. I played nationals, and then I was a cricketer. I played for schools, Delhi schools. And then after that, I was doing hotel management, and I wasn't very happy what I was doing.
Yeah.
So I had few friends who were doing theatre at that time. So I used to find theatre very fascinating. Till the age of 17, 18, I never thought of becoming an actor ever in my life.
My
I had
God.
no idea that I ever become an actor. I had absolutely no idea.
So you wanted to be a
But,
cricketer at some point of time. You seem to
Yes,
love cricket so
exactly. I
much.
wanted to play for my country. Then my father,
Wow.
he said, no, board exams, and you don't go. I had to go for trials, Indian school trials.
Okay.
So I couldn't go.
Okay.
So
Oh God.
then the career finished, and then
Mhm.
I didn't know what to do. Then hotel management was not very interesting, So I had few friends who were in theatre.
Okay.
So I started hanging around with those bunch of friends, and
Wow.
then I left hotel management. My father was furious with me. My father was furious with me, and
Yeah.
he in fact didn't speak to me for about 6-8 months,
My God.
and he was
okay.
very unhappy with me. And
You
yeah,
must
the
be
only
having a
son.
very tough time then, convincing him and all.
No, my mother was always there to support.
Yeah, sure.
She always believed in me.
Yeah. Of course.
Then after that, things started happening. Then I started. Then he
Mhm.
started. He also,
Mhm.
understood that I'm giving my best,
Mhm.
and I started doing theatre regularly. And then I started
Lovely.
calling him for plays and all that. And he
Wow.
finally,
Okay.
so we started, gelling with it. And stuff.
Superb. And I think he was the only one who, I think, he showed you that hum log auditions. He showed it to your mother.
Yes.
And-
My father,
Wow.
in fact, he wasn't talking to me those days, and he showed it,
Ah,
he gave it to
sweet.
my mother. कि इसको बोलो जाके दे ऑडिशन यहाँ पे. ये हम लोग का कोई नया सीरियल शुरू हुआ है.
How
वहाँ
sweet
पे.
was that?
So I must have told you that story that
Uh-huh.
I had a bike that time.
Uh-huh.
और मेरे पास जर्सी हुआ करती थी. मैं वैसा I was carrying 2 pictures of mine,
Okay.
and then I went to my friend's office. And I वहाँ पे hang around for a while and I'll come back home. I won't go. I knew it was going to be impossible. So जब मैं उसके ऑफिस गया तो he was also going somewhere. कहता मैं जा रहा मुझे काम मेरी meeting and all that.
Mhm.
So I said चलो यार let's give it a shot.
Yeah, sure.
So I thought let's give it a shot.
Wow.
So मैं चला गया.
Okay.
And then I saw there was about 4,000, 5,000 guys, boys and girls were there.
My God,
I said,
4,000
oh
and
God. I said,
Oh my
I
God.
said, no, this is impossible.
Okay.
So I said, just gave my picture. I said, I'll wait. Come again? So I gave my pictures to that guy and I said, I'll wait for half an hour.
Uh-huh.
अगर कुछ नहीं होगा तो चला जाऊंगा. But
Okay.
they called me in, and then after that, it's a history.
My God.
Sometimes you're destined. Yes, sometimes you're destined to,
Yes, you're destined, that's what, of course.
Yes.
And you were bound to be a heartthrob eventually.
I think that's too much. That's it.
No.
That's the time of
You
point
don't
of
even
time.
know. You don't know how much love people have for you. And not only because, you have an immense screen presence, you look so good, you look so handsome, but the fact lies, Asif sir, you are such a great human being, I must say. But it shows. See, because the other day I have went through all of your interviews on the net, and every time you come across as being so humble, so nice to everybody. You don't even take any credit for anything, These are such old school manners.
What credit? It's like a destiny. I believe in destiny. I mean, कुछ एक चीजें आपकी जिंदगी में होनी होती है वो होती हैं उस तरह से उसमें you don't have to get startled. You should be yourself. I mean, मैं समझता हूँ कि जब अच्छा वक्त चल रहा हो तो that's the time people analyze you, they try to assess you. At the time you have to be most humble and most
Absolutely.
down to earth.
Wow, that's such a great message you will be sending across to people who want to listen to this, who read to this. Wow.
I just want to tell everybody that be yourself. Just be honest to yourself.
I know.
Then nothing goes wrong in life. Just be honest to yourself.
And I think
That's
this is what is. I mean, this is your USP, I should say. That's the reason why people love
I
you
don't
so
know what
much.
is USP or not, but this is the way I am. Yeah.
Yeah, please stay the way you are always. And now, moving on to the next question, Aziz sir, I was wanting to ask you, how did Mumbai treat you? Because see, Delhi and Mumbai are totally different. Since Delhi was your hometown and Mumbai is a different culture altogether. How did you kind of adjust over there?
Bombay was fascinating,
Okay.
I mean, when I came to Bombay, like glamour world, and you get to see stars, actors, big hoardings. Bombay was like New York to me.
Oh my God.
So,
Okay. So you had somebody to support you, or you were just all on your own?
I was on my own, absolutely on my
Oh
own.
my God.
In fact, I came to do one serial
Okay.
here.
Yeah, you did
And,
Ajuba. Yes.
Ajuba, yes.
Okay.
For the same P. Kumar Vasudev who directed Hum Log.
Okay, right.
So he was producing and directing this show.
Mm-hmm.
So I was the only one who was taken from Hum Log.
Wow.
He didn't take anyone except me.
Oh, wow.
So I was quite,
Mm-hmm.
excited about it, and I came to Bombay,
Mm-hmm.
and then I shot here for about 6-7 months.
Okay.
Then I started struggling, and nothing really happened.
Okay.
So I said, "Yeah, it's not easy, boy." So I went back to Delhi.
Mm-hmm.
So, but I had given my pictures to Mirza Brothers.
Okay.
The guy who gave me they gave me the first break, Rama or Rama.
Yeah. Right.
Ji.
Mm-hmm.
So I had left my pictures with them. So they were making a film with Kimi Katkar and Govinda that time.
Yes. Yes.
But
Mhm.
Govinda was awfully busy those days.
Okay.
So they thought that they'll make a film with a new star cast, new faces.
Yeah. Right.
So they took my audition with other girl. They didn't like the girls, so they kept me. And they
Okay.
said we make a film with Kimi Katkar and Asif Sheikh and
Wow.
Star Katkar.
And it was a
And then,
beautiful film. It was such a lovely film. You
yeah.
worked with like
And
stalwarts
Kimi
like.
Katkar was a star that time, and I
Yeah,
was
she was a big
absolutely- Yeah, a big star. She was doing a
Yeah.
film with Amitabh Bachchan, Hum Kar Rahi Thi, and all that.
हाँ, right.
So I mean, everybody was skeptical कि करेगी कि नहीं करेगी वो.
हाँ.
And then so she was shooting next door where I was staying.
Mhm.
So the secretary, we were sharing the same secretary, Mr. Vikas Bali.
Okay.
So he came up to me, he says कि चल अगर मैं किमी से मिलाता हूँ.
Oh wow.
So मैं workout कर रहा था. So I was wearing my rubber chappals and my
अच्छा.
track pants and my t-shirt.
My God.
तो वो बोल के चला गया. तो कहता है तू सेट पर आ जा. बोल के
Okay.
चला गया वो.
Okay.
तो मैं सेट पर आया. The moment and I went and I met Kimi, and the moment he saw me,
Hmm.
he said, तेरे को कुछ कपड़े नहीं मिले थे पहन के आने के लिए.
My
क्या
God.
पहन के आया तू?
Oh my.
Like the first impression, I didn't realize. And I realized कि मैं कम से कम अच्छी कपड़े तो पहन के आता. But I mean, she liked me and she said, wow.
Yeah, obviously.
Then we had
She being such a big artist, she would have had that keen
No,
eye,
then-
She would have it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and she recognized your talent.
Yeah.
And it was such a beautiful film, Rama or Rama. You worked with Pran Saab and such
Yes,
big
yes.
stars.
Raj Kapoor,
Raj
Kimi
Kapoor.
Kapoor. Yes, it's a
Yeah, it's a lovely film
very
as well.
film.
Okay, lovely. Now, as I said, there's one question that has been, troubling your fans a lot, and they have always wanted to know, how did you meet Zeba ma'am? I mean, was it an arranged marriage? Because you
It's an
seem to
arranged
be...
marriage.
Okay, really?
It's an arranged marriage.
Okay.
It's an arranged marriage, but
That's
she is my landlady's daughter.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah. So her grandmother liked me,
Okay.
and because she realized कि फिल्मों में काम करता है लेकिन इसमें बुरी आदत नहीं है, नमाज पढ़ता है, and he's a
That's
nice
sweet.
good boy,
How lovely.
and
Wow.
and she was quite impressed with me.
When boy, she was
So
right,
they went
isn't it?
They went and met my parents in Delhi,
Okay.
and then they said कि ऐसा है. So मेरे parents भी बड़े eager थे
Mm-hmm.
to get me married. So
Okay.
they came to Bombay, and Zeba was very pretty, and she was
Nice.
from a very good school, and she was studying in SNDT college that time.
Superb.
And so उसके बाद हमारी एक
Mhm.
साल कोर्टशिप चली. उसके बाद एक साल बाद हमारी शादी हो गई,
Wow.
and हमारी शादी के पहले साल हमारी पहली बेटी हुई, मरियम.
Ah, she's so
first
pretty.
year,
My God, she's
yeah,
really a
First
beauty.
year because she was born.
Okay.
So yeah.
So you started your life very early. Both of you have been very young.
Very early,
isn't it?
very early. Very early.
Okay. But
I started my life very early, and I was quite independent in it, from a very young age. I was
so
very.
how old were you when you got married?
I was about 24,
My God, that's too young an
and
age.
Zeba was
for today's
hardly 18 and a half.
Oh my God.
I saw when जब वहाँ रहते थे तो she used
Uh-huh.
to go to school. मैंने उसको स्कर्ट में देखा. She used to go to school.
That's sweet. Oh my
Yeah,
God.
so I didn't know कि मैं कभी ज़ेबा से शादी भी होगी मेरी. It's like that.
But it's such a wonderful family touch wood, our sister. We really pray and we pray more that you have
Yes,
all the happiness in the
Alhamdulillah, I have
world.
two lovely children,
I know.
and and I'm very happy. God is really being kind to me.
And we really wish and we hope and we pray that all the happiness and all the goodness in this whole wide world comes to your home, to your family, and you always be very happy.
Thank you so much.
Then that's another one I want to ask you. You have actually, glorious 31 years in the industry. You worked with the biggest stalwarts, biggest of the filmmakers, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Sanjay Dutt, Govinda, just to name a few, and there have been scores of others also. And you have been an integral part of some very, very big films who've been, that have been blockbuster hits. But you still have maintained a very low profile all this while, and we can see that you have never worked in a PR. And whereas we see right now that all these current actors, I mean, they're not so known also, but they've been into these paid advertisements or interviews. So, I mean, why do you shy away so much from popularity?
I'll tell you. It's very simple. My philosophy of life is very simple.
Mm-hmm.
My philosophy is like, I don't want to be on your face.
Mm-hmm.
I want to be there.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to see me. I don't want to just force myself on people. And
Wow.
this is the way I am. I never kept any PR ever in my life. Whatever happens, people will read.
Yeah,
If they're
that's right.
interested to know about me, they will definitely ask. Like,
Yeah.
आज से भाभी जी से पहले there used to be no one, कोई आता नहीं था, फोन करता नहीं था. Because I was the same one. मैं ऐसी
Yeah.
एक्टिंग करता था, मैं ऐसी कोशिश करता था, मैं ऐसी एफर्ट्स करता था. लेकिन बस जो एक चीज आपको हिट मिल जाती है, चीजें चेंज हो जाती है जिंदगी में आप.
सही बात है.
So that's what really happened to me. Things have
Yeah.
changed now. So if the people want to know about me, so I'm very much interested about telling them about me. There's absolutely no issues.
Lovely.
Because I led a very straight and very non-complicated life. I always believe that life has to be non-complicated. Complications नहीं चाहिए जिंदगी में. Because क्या होता है, वो जब आप लाइफ को कॉम्प्लिकेट करते हैं, वो डिस्ट्रैक्शंस होती हैं.
Distractions होती
फिर
है.
आपको जो
बिल्कुल सही
being a
बात है.
creative person, I feel when being an actor, फिर मुझे सोच, if I have something niggling me, something is troubling me,
Yes.
so that really distracts me while I'm working, while I'm performing,
Wow.
which I don't want. मैं
My
चाहता हूँ
God.
कि लाइफ बड़ी सिंपल और स्ट्रेट है. उसके लिए मैं बहुत कम चीजें करता हूँ, लेकिन I give my the best possible जो मेरे में कैपेसिटी एज एन एक्टर होता है. मैं अपने काम से कभी भी I never try to कि ठीक है यार, easy laid back because it's television. I never ever think that I'm working for television. I'm a performer. I do the
Absolutely.
same for television. I do the same for cinema. I do much
Definitely.
more for theater.
Correct.
So I'm an actor and I like to perform. मुझे perform करने में मजा आता. I enjoy my performance.
Yeah, that we can
It's like
see. My God, and
Yeah.
I mean, this is going to be my best interview ever because your
No,
ideology.
I really enjoy my work. I really enjoy my work.
About like I was asking you that Bhabhi Ji Ghar Par is such a rage right now, and I mean, of course, credit should go to the writer, director, to the casting director, everybody. But the major share of the credit should go to actors like you who improvise a lot. इसके साथ साथ improvisation के साथ साथ there is a lot of masti. You people are so happy. I mean, such a happy lot.
Yeah.
You all of you all are.
Yes,
तो
yes.
कहाँ से इतनी खुशी कहाँ से ले आते हैं?
देखिए, पहली बात तो मैं because I'm the senior most on the set and जो शशांक डायरेक्टर जो है उसका जब हम लोग रिस्पॉन्स करते थे, he was the fourth assistant.
Okay.
So उसकी upbringing, we are always on the same page. उसकी upbringing हमारे साथ हुई है.
Oh my God, lovely.
So and we have respect for each other and we really enjoy each other's work and the way he treats the scene, the way I add on. It's like a game. We always we are always one out. कुछ चलता रहता है हम लोग का कि इसमें ये करें, ये ऐसे करें, वैसे.
Okay.
Because it's very important that you have to amuse people.
Yeah.
अगर मैं भी एज ए स्ट्रेट फेस से सेम चीज बोलता रहूंगा तो आप लोग भी 4 दिन बाद पक जाएंगे. If I don't add on my spices, if I don't my body language, if I don't do something out of the hat, people,
Yeah.
you have to raise. हमेशा मैं लोगों से ये बोलता हूँ कि you have to raise the bar.
Yeah.
Every time you have to raise the bar. It's very important. Otherwise, then things start getting stagnant.
Absolutely.
So then that's how the fatigue sets in.
Right.
That's how fatigue sets in.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
I always believe that, and I keep everybody in charge. And when they see that female actors are really working hard, so everybody works
Yeah,
hard. And
you
everybody
do.
enjoys.
You indulge
And we
into
have
a
a
lot
very-
of leg pulling also, we can say.
But there's a very nice atmosphere
Yeah,
on the
there's
set
a-
always. And I tell everyone, I
Yeah.
said, please, आप लोग को हिट मिला है जिंदगी में, इसको
हाँ.
enjoy कीजिए. Don't let it go to your head.
Absolutely.
Enjoy it.
Absolutely. That's
I
very
always
important.
tell them. ऐसा किसी के दिमाग खराब होते हैं तो मैं उसे सही करता हूँ, फिर मैं डांटता हूँ. Of course, it's very important because क्या होता है कि वो अगर एक आदमी अगर दूसरे ट्रैक पे चला गया, then he will spoil things.
Absolutely.
हमारे सेट का एटमॉस्फेयर जो है, जो एक जो कॉर्डियल एटमॉस्फेयर है, जो everybody is easy with each other. हमारे में कोई we never have that कि वो बड़ा एक्टर, वो छोटा एक्टर, everybody is alike, everybody talks. मैं सब मेरे मेकअप रूम में घुसे रहते हैं. Every time you find someone or other, तो कुछ खाने को दो, सब ये करो, वो करो. It's like a family. We all work together.
Yeah, and it shows.
Really enjoy our work.
It shows. आंखों में दिखता है सबके how much they're enjoying. There is no stress, absolutely. Like off camera.
Absolutely no stress.
There's no
stress. Absolutely.
Lovely. It's so good. Okay, that's lovely, Atif sir. The next thing I want to ask you, are you getting any film offers? Because see, your fans are dying to see you in a romantic flick on the cellulite. Believe me, they're all...
Oh, come on, I'm too old for a romantic
Oh, come
flick.
on, you don't look like...
Please, I want to act my age. And, since I'm doing this character, so I have to have that kind of body language. But now I would like to do some really more matured and more, more meaningful and more meatier roles, This is like, it's a very lighter role.
Yeah, it's very light, but people are really loving it, and you're very convincing in that also. I mean, if the fans are expecting, I think they're right in a way. You look so good.
Yeah, I'm really, it's like, for me, it's a pleasant surprise that, a lot of younger girls and boys, they're fond of me.
Because, very much fond of you.
So this is something really endearing for me. I feel like, अभी भी मियाँ खां फाख्ता उड़ा सकते हैं.
मियाँ खां बहुत सारे फाख्ते उड़ा चुके हैं. And we are loving it. Okay. And as I said, like we have seen you, you're so good and you're so articulate with the languages. Like Hindi is the mother tongue, but you're so good in Urdu and English also. Have you ever thought of writing? Are you ever interested in writing?
Yes, I tried my hand.
Really?
मैं एक प्ले लिख रहा था. मैंने एक आधा प्ले लिखा. उसके बाद I took a break, and then after 6 months जब मैंने वो प्ले पढ़ा, then I realized कि I should stop writing right now.
No, really?
So I stopped writing because it was terrible. See, किसी की आपके काम में होशियारी कर देना is easy.
Okay.
But to create something is not. Hats off to Manoj Santoshi, who's the writer of the show. I really admire his work, and he's churning out so much of work on a daily basis. It's not easy. I tell you, it's not easy at all. It's not easy at all. So, this is something great, and I really respect Manoj Santoshi. कि आज के ज़माने में, आज की तारीख में हमारे पास ऐसे writers. We don't have such writers.
We don't have such writers. The writing part, I think that is, vanished into thin air. Just looking at the
एक तो सबसे अफसोस की बात ये है कि हमारी जो ज़बान है वो मर रही है.
ज़बान मर गई.
हमारी ज़बान नहीं रह गई. इसमें मिक्सचर हो गया. उसमें जो ज़बान की मिठास हुआ करती थी, वो मिठास नहीं. There's no, you don't find sweetness. अगर आप खूबसूरत को अगर आप खूबसूरत बोलेंगे तो it won't sound nice and
absolutely. वो और उसको बताने वाले लोग भी नहीं है. As we can see, those script writers are not like that. Even the spellings are not correct. Bad English, bad Urdu, bad Hindi.
नहीं, बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं. बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं.
And you're doing it so well, my God. आपको पढ़ने का शौक होगा, मुझे लगता है.
हाँ, मैं पढ़ता हूँ. मैं बहुत पढ़ता हूँ.
Okay.
मतलब बहुत पढ़ता था. अब तो हर वक्त नहीं मिलता था पढ़ने का, लेकिन I like to read. Because books में मुझे लगता है कि books is definitely एक अलग मीडियम है. वो आपको पढ़ते रहना चाहिए ना.
पढ़ते रहना चाहिए.
मैं fiction पढ़ता हूँ mainly मैं fiction पढ़ता हूँ. I enjoy fiction.
Okay.
So जी. लेकिन पहले वक्त हुआ करता था, उससे मैं बहुत पढ़ता था, लेकिन बहुत तक कम हो गया. लेकिन definitely I never give up reading.
Yeah, it shows that you must be very fond of reading because since your vocabulary
because
is so
I'll tell
good.
you, it's very important. आज जिस स्पीड से, जिस तेजी से फैशन बदल रहा है, लोगों का टेस्ट बदल रहा है. अगर if you don't cope up with today's time, आप पिछड़ जाएंगे, आप पीछे रह जाएंगे.
बिल्कुल सही बात.
Exactly. So I have to cater to you people. मैं आप लोगों को cater करना चाहता हूँ. So for that I have to be one of you. मेरी कोशिश रहती है कि मैं I can connect with you people so better.
Absolutely.
And definitely I connect with younger people. All the people around me
all the time.
much younger than me. And I connect with everyone. मुझे कोई, I don't never feel any generation gap or any communication gap. I'm very easy because I always
It shows.
give a loose ball first. I mean, I never say,
Uh-huh.
I never try to pretend that, listen, buddy, this is it, I'm taking it or leave it. So I'm easy, and then everybody becomes easy.
Yeah.
और कॉमेडी में बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट है कि आप अगर इजी आपकी it's very important to have a camaraderie between actors.
Correct.
That comfort level has to be there.
Absolutely.
The comfort level. जैसे आज me and my wife Anita, we do scenes together.
Mhm.
There's a comfort level because
Yeah.
मैंने उसको comfort level दिया है, and she has a
Absolutely.
comfort level that she understands, she knows
Yeah.
me as a person, and then
Yeah.
they have a great body language between us.
Absolutely. It shows
it's
off
very
screen and on
important,
screen
yeah.
both. It shows
Yes.
a lot. They're so
बिल्कुल,
happy.
बिल्कुल, और बहुत
Yeah. They're so
and we
comfortable.
give a lot of respect to our women. हमारे
Hmm.
respect से because we always believe in Shashank and everybody, like we give extra importance to our women, and we
Very
are
nice.
extra nice to them, and we make them feel very important always.
So good. I wish we had more stars like you. Everywhere we could plant one like you.
I don't know, but
Yeah.
this is the way I am. I mean, I enjoy being myself. और
That's
मैं
so
आज
lovely.
भी आपसे I'm not trying to be very modest, but
Hmm.
आज भी घर में मैं फटा हुआ कुर्ता फटा पजामा पहन के घूमता रहता हूँ, and कई बार I go out also sometimes and my wife tells me that please don't get out of the car, stay inside the car because
My
you're wearing
God.
horrendous clothes, and she tells me that I'm too lazy to change. I said गाड़ी में तो जाना है यार, चलो ना, but she hates it. She'd rather be changed something.
The thing that you are about, no? This is what makes Asif shake, right? Such a lovely human being you are, my God. एक जो सवाल है मुझसे, मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने बोला कि कभी आपकी बात हो तो आप उनसे पूछना जरूर कि आप इतने अच्छे क्यों हैं, मतलब
अरे बाप रे बाप, ये तो कोई सवाल ना हुआ।
तो ये पूछा है उन्होंने, और उसके पीछे
मुझे बिल्कुल ऐसा एहसास हो रहा है कि मैं बहुत प्रेटेंड करता हूँ कि मैं आई एम ट्राइंग टू बी गुड ऑलवेज,
नो
गुड बॉय टाइप। नहीं, मेरे में बहुत सारी खामियां भी हैं। मैं समटाइम्स आई आल्सो डू रॉन्ग थिंग्स इन लाइफ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं।
Well, that's perfectly human.
No, absolutely. I am one of you, and आप absolutely आप कभी ऐसा समझे कि अच्छे क्यों हैं, बट ये ठीक है कि आप होता है कि इफ यू लाइक समवन ना, तो आदमी की आपको हर चीज अच्छी लगती है। तो ये मेरी खुशकिस्मती है कि आप लोग इतना मुझे पसंद करते हैं, लाइक मी एंड लव।
बिल्कुल, हम लोग बहुत पसंद करते हैं आसिफ सब, बहुत डीपेस्ट रिस्पेक्ट एंड डीपेस्ट लव वी हैव फॉर यू। एंड और ये जो कह रहे हैं सब लोग, इसके पीछे रीजन है, बिकॉज नॉट ओनली भाभी जी घर पे है दैट हैज ब्रॉट यू पीपल टू द फोर, बट देयर हैव बीन लाइक पीपल हैव बीन वाचिंग योर इंटरव्यूज लेफ्ट राइट सेंटर, पीछे का भी काम देखा आपका, फिर एक और भी बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज हमने पुराने भी देखे हैं। दे हैव नोटिस्ड दिस थिंग that you're very humble with your co-stars, very damn affectionate to the kids also, such old school manners you have, your body language, the way you stand, and then and
I think everybody is nice to me, everybody is nice to me, and I'm nice to them. I swear to God, I'm really telling you, I'm not, because I'm really, you have to believe me कि लोगों के साथ लोगों को प्रॉब्लम होती है कि यार मैं उसमें वहाँ काम किया तो मेरे को प्रॉब्लम होगी। मुझे आज तक किसी से प्रॉब्लम हुई नहीं। मुझे सिर से बता रहा हूँ, मुझे पीपल आर सो नाइस टू मी। कोई मुझसे बदतमीजी या कोई मुझसे ऐसी बात नहीं करता, कोई कभी किसी ने ऐसा नहीं किया। मैं आज तक मेरे करियर में मेरा कभी से झगड़ा नहीं हुआ किसी से। God is being kind to me. I mean, ये तो एक बात है, लेकिन बिकॉज आप झगड़ा कब करते हैं जब आप किसी को रिएक्ट करते हैं।
सही बात है।
मेरी थ्योरी क्या लाइफ में कि if I don't gel with someone, I withdraw myself.
Yeah,
that's
right.
You don't scratch my back, I won't scratch your back. It's as simple as that.
Right.
So बहुत सिंपल फिलॉसफी लाइफ में, मैं ज्यादा चीजों को कॉम्प्लिकेट नहीं करता।
नहीं, वो इसलिए भी है ना कि वो जो भी इंसान इतनी पॉजिटिव एनर्जी एग्ज्यूट करता है, वेरी काम एंड कलेक्टेड ऑल द टाइम।
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, मैं बहुत हाइपर हूँ। किसने बोला वो काम?
Really? My God, this is
बहुत,
news.
I'm very hyper.
This is news to me. Really?
मैं बेचैन, लोग मुझे बेचैन आत्मा बोलते हैं।
अच्छा।
I'm so hyper.
दिखता नहीं है।
हमारे तिवारी जी तो जहाँ शॉर्ट में बीच में टाइम मिला जाके सो जाते हैं।
अच्छा।
अपने मेकअप रूम में, लेकिन मुझे मेकअप रूम में इतना सब कुछ होता है कि मेरे मेकअप टीवी भी चल रहा है, ये भी आ रहा है, वो भी आ रहा है। Things are happening.
You are it's not being hyper, it's being such a bundle of energy. हर वक्त कुछ ना कुछ करना होता है।
नहीं, कुछ ना कुछ मुझे I can't lie down until I'm something wrong with me, और कुछ मुझे बैक एक हो गया, कभी कुछ हो गया, तो I lie them for a while. Otherwise,
That's very good. That's very good. I think that's an amazing message to the youth, also to the young wannabes who want to have a shortcut for everything. I think they have lots and lots to learn from institutions like you, sir. Hats off to your hard work.
but I'll tell you, today is a fast food zamana. So I mean, people think we have shortcuts for everything.
That's right. But the shortcuts don't lead you anywhere. Eventually, आप देखते हो one serial wonder होते हैं लोग, कोई याद नहीं.
Yeah, I feel that consistency is very important in
Very
life.
important.
आज अल्लाह का शुक्र है, for the last 31 years I'm working and God is giving me work to do. At least surviving and so I have absolutely no regrets. लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं कि आपने अपना करियर एज अ हीरो शुरू किया, फिर आप विलन बन गए, फिर आपने you did supporting roles and then comedy roles and now you're doing television. What do you feel? I said, I feel very fortunate. I feel very happy. इसमें बुरा, इसमें क्या, आप मुझे बताइए कि एक रेस में 10 लोग दौड़ते हैं, उसमें एक ही फर्स्ट आता है, एक ही सेकंड, एक ही थर्ड. But I feel it's very important to finish the race.
Yeah.
Finishing the race is very important. Wow. I'm not competing with anyone. Agar Shahrukh Khan came with, I came at the same time, Shahrukh and Salman and all, we all came at the same time. But I mean, they had something different. They had something definitely which I don't have. It's as simple as that. But I'm not depressed. I'm happy about what I'm doing. I'm enjoying my work.
That's absolutely wonderful.
Yeah, absolutely.
So lovely.
See, it's very important to be content.
Yeah.
कंटेंट होना बहुत जरूरी, कंटेनमेंट बहुत जरूरी है जिंदगी में. अगर आप में कंटेनमेंट नहीं होगी ना, तो फिर वो रेस्टलेस जो होती है ना, रेस्टलेसनेस.
बिल्कुल.
I'm not very, let me tell you, I'm being honest, I'm not very ambitious.
Wow.
I want to be happy. Whatever I have, I want to be happy with that. That's it.
That's so lovely.
I don't want, a penny more, a penny less.
Wow. And this is, I think, as you said, this is the reason why, you're here today and people are loving you so much, and I'm sure this is going to grow day by day.
Absolutely, I'm really fortunate that people are loving me and how. And कई बार मुझे बड़ा I feel very embarrassed कि लोग मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा एक्स्ट्रा तारीफ कर देते हैं मेरी. I feel कि यार कुछ ज़्यादा हो गया अभी से.
Yes, आपको लगता
है.
So
I feel really sometimes I feel very embarrassed. But actually their love and उनकी मोहब्बत, उनका प्यार सलामतों पे. And I'm really lucky, and I'm loved by so many people. Like you. It's really, really nice of you.
Yeah, you deserve every bit of your success, every bit of your love, every bit of adulation. You deserve everything.
Thank you so much. Thanks so much.
And sir, now coming to my rapid fire round. Sir, आपका favorite pastime क्या है?
मेरे पास जब टाइम होता है, मेरे पास होता है कि I like to spend time with the family.
Lovely.
Maximum time with the family, because that's the only thing I can do with them, for them right now, because they are, they're always deprived of time. Time नहीं मिल पाता है मेरा. So I like to spend time with them. That's my favorite. And whatever we do, we watch Netflix, we listen to music, we go out. So हम लोग mainly वो try करते हैं कि साथ में रहें. अब बच्चे बड़े हो गए, maybe they don't go out with us everywhere, but कहीं जाते हैं तो उनको भी लेके जाते हैं.
Wow, that's so beautiful, lovely. The next is also, what's your favorite book and author? What's your all-time favorite book?
There's a book called, मैंने बहुत पहले पढ़ी थी. It was called Action. Written by Joe Strass.
All right.
Joe Strass, yeah, written by Joe Strass.
Okay.
I love that book, and it really left a mark.
Really?
I have some great memories about the book.
So what was that book all about?
It's about a man. A man. How he makes it in life.
Okay.
It's like a self-made man. He starts from scratch, and the journey is so beautiful.
Wonderful.
So उसमें there's a lot of interesting aspects to it. That's really interesting. So I always remember that. And it's very endearing, it's very inspiring story.
I'll try to read that.
Yeah, please, it's called Action by Joe Strass.
Joe Strass. Joe's Trash, okay.
Yeah.
I'll definitely try to lay my hands on those. Okay, and now, sir, about your favorite sport. I think we know, all of us know you love cricket.
हाँ, cricket is my. मेरे रूम में जो टीवी है उसमें क्रिकेट चलता रहता है.
Oh, wow.
All the time. हाँ, it's always कोई ना कोई मैच चल रहा होता है and I'm always in touch with that.
Good.
I mean, of course, news and other things also.
Yeah, right.
But I don't watch my show, by the way. I don't watch my
Really?
show repeat in my. No, I don't.
You don't
I don't.
watch your shows?
No, I don't. I
Oh
don't
my
watch.
God.
I don't watch.
You don't watch, okay. You're busy watching your lovely cricket, right?
They're not busy. I'm not busy. I just deliberately don't watch it
Mm-hmm.
because I sometimes feel that if you don't know what you're doing, it's definitely I get the reaction from you people that's more exciting for me.
Okay.
And then I see myself and then analyze myself, and
Okay.
then I like to see myself.
Mhm.
People reacting to my work. That's more
Okay.
interesting to me. So I don't like to see my work much.
Okay, lovely. And who's your favorite sports person?
I think it's not one. There's so many,
Mm-hmm.
but I would say Sachin Tendulkar is one of them. Viv Richards is one of them, and of course Imran Khan is one of my favorite sportsmen.
Okay, lovely. So,
Yeah.
And what's your favorite movie?
Again, I have hundreds of favorite movies. It's like, you like different things for different,
Mhm.
for different things, different film for different things. Like
Yeah,
that.
that's right. Yeah.
Something I like to remember for performance, sometimes a storyline, sometimes
Mhm.
a screenplay. It's just, every film has something, I feel something interesting to it. So there's so many. Godfather is one of them. There's
Okay, yeah, that's
Operation
nice.
Daybreak is one of
Lovely.
them.
Yeah.
And I like Sound of Music is one of them.
Yeah, that's
Then there was a film
beautiful.
called and there's a film called Babel, Bable, Babel.
Okay.
Yeah, that is also very nice.
Okay.
So there's so many films. I mean, I can't remember, but I have Kiss of the Spider Woman. I like Straw Dogs. I like one of the favorite films.
Very nice.
जो मैंने कई बार देखी हैं.
Acha, so you're fond of watching movies then? When
Oh
you're
yes,
outside.
yes, of course,
Lovely,
of course. We have a movie culture.
Wow.
तो हाँ, कोई अपने लैपटॉप पे देख रहा है तो कोई टीवी पे देख रहा है. हमारे घर
अरे
में
वाह.
4-5 लोग अलग-अलग फिल्में देख रहे होते हैं.
So good. Lovely, lovely. And Ashish, what's your favorite song and the singer also?
मेरा फेवरेट सॉन्ग आप बोलेंगे बहुत कंसीडर, लेकिन मैं जरूर बोलूंगा बिन तेरे सनम मन मिटेंगे.
अरे बाबा, वो तो हम सबकी जान है.
Yes. That's my favorite song because
Such a lovely song.
because I sang the song, but it is definitely a very nice song.
Very nice song.
And
Yeah.
and then I will have not old songs.
Okay.
पुराने गाने बहुत अच्छे रफी साहब ने भी गाए हैं, किशोर दा ने गाए हैं.
Uh-huh.
चिंगारी कोई पढ़ के सावन से बुझाए.
Wow, I'm definitely going to play all of those. Tell me.
And रफी साहब के बच्चे जो शम्मी कपूर के जो सॉन्ग्स हुआ करते थे, वो सॉन्ग चाहे मुझे कोई जंगली कहे,
Okay.
and लाल छड़ी मैदान खड़ी.
Those funny ones also.
Yeah.
Wow, very nice. And Ashish, what's your favorite color?
My favorite colors are solid colors, black and white.
Okay. Black
No
and
gray.
white. Okay. And you look
No gray.
absolutely gorgeous in those.
you
Looks
so
really
much.
good on you. Okay, and we like to know any favorite quote of yours which you often like to quote and say that has inspired you.
Well, my favorite quote is never hang up your boots
Wow,
till you die.
that's so good. Now, just last 2 questions more. Your New Year resolution. Any resolutions you've made for yourself?
I never thought of making a resolution. I mean, I never made resolution.
Okay.
I make up my mind. I never make resolution.
Wow, that's a good one.
So that's more important when you take a resolution. Then you have to make up your mind that you have to do it.
This is the best quote you've given me, and this I never make up any resolution. I make up my mind. That's so good. So lovely.
Indeed.
Wow. And then, Ashish, last but not the least, your message to your fans. I mean, left, right, center. Literally, they are totally bonkers over you. What to say?
I can say I love you all. And please, मेरी जो थोड़ी गलतियां जो कर जाता हूँ, please नजरअंदाज करें उसको. And I'll try my best not to disappoint you. मेरी कोशिश रहेगी कि मैं जितने मेरे में कैपेसिटी एज एन एक्टर, मैं कुछ ज़्यादा देने की कोशिश करूँ और आप लोगों को खुश रखूँ, एंटरटेन करूँ और आप लोग भी खुश रहें और आप लोग खुश रहेंगे तो मैं खुश रहूँगा।
Thank you so much, Asif sir. I don't have any words to thank you for your generosity.
Not at all, not at
Thank you
all.
so
It's
much.
like it's my pleasure. और अगर मैं जो लोग मुझसे इतनी मोहब्बत करते हैं, अगर मैं उनके लिए इतना भी कर पाऊँ तो ये मेरी नींद है।
My God, this is so lovely.
Thank you
आज
so
मुझे
much.
नींद नहीं आएगी रात को.
नहीं, बिल्कुल आज आपको अच्छी नींद आएगी, घबराइए।
Thank you so much, Asif.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and we wish you, I mean, heavens for you are our prayers for you. That's all
Thank
I
you
want to
so
say.
much.
Thank you.
I cherish it.
आसिफ जी, तहे दिल से आपका शुक्रिया फॉर गिविंग अस योर वेरी प्रेशियस टाइम। कहाँ होते हैं आज की दुनिया में ऐसे सितारे जो एक हसरत पे जमीन पर उतर आए। फॉर अ स्टार हुज अ ट्रू ब्लू परफॉर्मर, फॉर अ कंप्लीट मैन, अ ग्रेट फैमिली मैन एंड अ ग्रेट फ्रेंड एंड अ जेन्युइन and a super generous celebrity. This is from all of us at 90.8 FM, Aapki Awaaz. Wherever you go, may people always recognize that you have a beautiful heart and may every heart hold you forever. Thank you ever so much. तो दोस्तों, I'm sure आज की शाम आपने बहुत enjoy की होगी as much as I enjoyed talking to my favorite Mr. Asif Sheikh. तो मित्रों, आपसे फिर मुलाकात होगी। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। गुड नाइट, शब खैर एंड स्टे ब्लेस्ड।